Hi guys, so today we are taking a trip to Thailand with a vibrant and aromatic dish, Thai red chicken curry. This classic Thai curry is a perfect balance of spicy, sweet and savory. We'll be using fragrant red curry paste, creamy coconut milk and tender chicken to create a dish that's bursting with flavor. Whether you are a seasoned cook or just looking for an easy and delicious weeknight meal, this recipe is simple and satisfying. I'll guide you through every step from sauteing the curry paste to simmering the curry to perfection. So grab your red curry paste and coconut milk and get ready to fill your kitchen with the aroma of Thailand, and let's cook up the flavorful curry together. So first, to make the Thai red curry paste, take a mixer jar, add 2 shallots roughly cut, add 6 Kashmiri dry red chilies, 4 dry red chilies, 6 garlic cloves, 4 kaffir lime leaves, half tablespoon coriander seeds, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 piece lemongrass cut in small pieces, 1/4 cup fresh coriander roots chopped, half tablespoon galangal paste, 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon shrimp paste, 3 tablespoon oil, half cup water, add more if required. Then blend this to a smooth paste. So the Thai red curry paste is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave it aside to use it later. Then in a hot pan, add half cup coconut milk and cook it until it gets nice and thick or reduced to half. As you can see that the coconut milk is nice and thick now. Then add the Thai red curry paste which was previously made, and then cook it for about 10 minutes. Until it gets nice and thick and all spices are nicely cooked. Make sure it is something like this. As you can see that the curry paste is nice and thick and it is well cooked. Then add about 700 grams chicken thigh cut in medium pieces, add 6 kaffir lime leaves and cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let the chicken cook nicely in the curry paste. Then add 3 cups coconut milk, 1 cup water and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 1 tablespoon palm sugar, 1 whole pumpkin cut in medium pieces, 1 teaspoon sugar, 3 tablespoon fish sauce, and then give it a nice mix. Then add some salt to taste if required and then give it a nice mix. Then cover it and allow it to boil for about 12 to 15 minutes or until the oil separates on the surface. As you can see that the oil is separate on the surface now, and then give it a nice mix. Then add 4 kaffir lime leaves, about 10 basil leaves, 1 fresh red chili, and then give it a nice mix. And cook it until the curry is nice and thick. And there you have it guys, a vibrant and delicious Thai red chicken curry. Be sure to let me know in the comments below how your curry turned out. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more flavorful recipes. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.